Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Aero Mesh Office Chair features. With its cool, full mesh design and slim profile, Aero adds a contemporary look to any workplace. Aero is manufactured to EN 1335 standards for strength and stability and is suitable for commercial use. The flexible mesh textile suits users of different sizes and is breathable, helping to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The ergonomically designed mesh backrest features a pronounced lumbar support area for enhanced comfort. The mesh seat is contoured for comfort and uses Flexion technology to help distribute weight evenly. This helps minimize pressure on the legs, encouraging good circulation. The Aero also includes a height-adjustable mesh headrest, providing essential head and neck support. Clever fingertip cable controls allow for quick and easy ergonomic adjustment. By turning the rear right-hand control, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The synchronized tilt mechanism is operated by the control at the front right-hand side of the chair. Turn the control to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Turn it back again to lock the chair into one of the 3 preset positions. The innovative weight tension control automatically adjusts to your body weight throughout the recline for support regardless of stature. For a more ergonomic experience, unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The seat slide is operated by the control on the left-hand side of the chair. Turn the control and slide the seat forward or back. Let go to lock it in position. Aero is supplied with convenient height-adjustable flip-up armrests. To adjust the armrest height, press the button on the arms to release and adjust to your desired level. You can also flip the armrests up to allow clear access to your workstation. For additional comfort, the arms are topped with black soft PU arm pads. The Aero is supplied in black full mesh with a classic black frame, armrests and 5-star spider base set on twin wheel casters. A TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Aero is offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day and is available from stock. It can be delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.